a monster, I'ma kill him, this is mine, yeah. I am ready to fire, I got a million desires that I just need to go achieve, I just need to acquire. So I've been climbing up this ladder, yes I'm going up higher. I need to do it till the day that I might retire.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and we are back with this rebuild. I know this is gonna be super interesting for you guys. I know it 100%. I know that you're gonna enjoy this video, so make sure you smash like, subscribe, and always comment down below how I'm doing everything wrong, okay? Anyways, if you guys see my other videos, we have purchased this new truck. It is a 2020 Volvo VNL 760, and as you guys can tell, there is cab damage. We have this face right here of this truck kind of sitting crooked like this. We also have damage on the roof part right there, and then the worst of the worst is pretty much these rear axles. They are pretty much all messed up. They are all bent, and pretty much this transfer case is broken right there. Something's broken right there because I have a piece of yoke over there. All of these wheels are sitting crooked like this. This one looks okay, but these axles might not be good anymore. We're gonna be doing a really good diagnosis on these axles, making sure they're good. And if they are good and they just need some parts changing here and there, like probably these strut towers, some air brake chambers, most of these leaf springs have to be all changed out, and all of these U-bolts. So yeah, we'll see if we can change them and replace them. If not, I have all new axles that I actually already prematurely fixed up on my 2019 Volvo. If you guys remember, this is my 2019 Volvo, same body style, same engine, everything like that. I had issues finding a cab for this thing. There goes a cab, but this is a 2020, so realistically speaking, it's worth just fixing up a 2020 instead of a 2019, right? Exactly my point. We have a frame matching VIN number to the cab, so I think if I can do the title correctly and get a clean title out of this mug right here, it's worth just swapping engines and trannies and putting it in here. So that's my plan. But first things first, we need to make sure the frame on this beast is straight. So that's what we're about to be doing now, and then we're gonna be doing the title. And if I can do the title for this thing, it's a done deal, you know what I'm saying? Done dealio. This thing is getting fixed instead of the 2019. So the series is gonna start with a 2020, and the 2019 is gonna be done. Same but different. Alrighty, got all the wheels off, and I'm just gonna show you guys an example of how the rear leaf springs are supposed to be like. You know, something like this connected to that right there. And yeah, it looks pretty good on this side, but you know, right when we get on this side, you guys can tell it got pretty deleted. So let me explain something. I have worked on these rear ends before. They're actually pretty simple, and I can tell right now that everything needs to be replaced with the airbags and the leaf springs, and the actual axles, I am not sure if they're good. We will be testing them just in case, because if they are good, I'd rather just keep these and not take it off the 2019 model. So yeah, that's pretty decent right there. Also, we actually got some decent tread here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 good ones with good wheels, and then we got 2 bad ones with only 1 bad wheel. So there's a rip right there, and on this one it's right there. This one still holds air actually, but this rim right here actually got hit pretty hard back there, and it's bent right here. So yeah, this rim and tire is gonna be gone, and this tire is gone, but this rim is still good. I know for some of you it's gonna seem like this is such an easy job, but do you guys see my hand? I know, I literally turned a different race, and this is a really heavy and very dirty job. This is just 35 pounds or 40 pounds right there. Unscrewing just the lug nuts, picking up the rims and tires is like 100 pounds each. I am in Florida, so I also got the scorching sun of death right there, and yeah, it's not pleasant. I was thinking of buying a tent again and putting it over where the areas I'm going to be working at, but it's just going to be so random. I don't think I'm going to do that, because the real mess is this cab. We need to do the frame on this cab while it's still bolted to the frame of this chassis right here. So we're going to be pulling this frame this way, that way. We'll do some measurements, make sure it's all Gucci. Also, these doors right here, they're both bad. You see it's tweaked right there, that pillar's tweaked, and we need to purchase 2 new doors, install the doors, match the frame to the doors, and then we're gonna be taking off the cab. All right guys, 2 things we need to do before we decide, are we fixing this cab and putting it on this 2019 model, or are we fixing this one and just swapping the engine or trans? First things first, is the frame straight? And we went ahead, and I didn't show the process all the way, but we got thick fishing wire and we tied it all the way to one end, and then we put it down all the way to the front right before it does the little banana twisty turny thing, and this frame on both sides is completely straight, so that's a plus. One more thing is the title. I'm going to try to put the clean title under my name and see what happens. You need the second copy too? Thank you. Alrighty, thank you. You too. Alrighty, just got back from the DMV in Florida. They call it tax collectors, and yeah, we got a little bit of bad news. Psych, it's great news. I actually got the title and it is done under my name. That means this thing is gonna get rebuilt instead of the 2019 Volvo. So I know, you know, everything's covered up again because it's Florida. It rains and then snows and then sleets, and it's crazy weather over here. All of a sudden it's 90 degrees and then it's 70 and it's raining. So yeah, we're gonna probably end the video here, guys. I know I didn't do much stuff. We're just trying to figure out what the next step is, and we've already figured out the frame is straight, the title is good, and we are going to be fixing up the 2020. There is just an insane amount of work here. I don't know if you guys realize it or not, and it is just a massive project, but I will be finishing it in the next couple months. So I appreciate it, guys, for sticking tuned with me. Make sure you smash like and subscribe, because this whole thing will get rebuilt. Next episode, 100%, we are pulling the frame on this cab. Make sure everything's all Gucci and straight. We're going to be taking the cab off to repair the side, to repair the doors, everything like that. When the cab is off, we will be taking out this engine and putting it in here, and that's probably the next episode after. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned for that, guys. I appreciate it. Be blessed like always. I also have merchandise. You guys go ahead and buy some shirts, support the project, support me, support my channel, and I appreciate it, guys. Deuces.